Welcome everyone. Welcome to a new lecture where we will learn how to make the rest of the pages like we did last time. So we will work on probably the block page. So we have a couple of pages left. Let's see. I'm going to close this old app, and this landing page is done. We don't need it anymore. I'm just gonna leave this app.blade.php. I'm just gonna close this one. We don't need that one anymore. So now let's focus on this block, and I need to go to the top. Now, as I told you, we are going to extend what? So you can write extends and b extends. That will create that. And now you need to link out layouts dot app. Very good. Now, what else we need here? We don't need actually navbar. Actually, we need navbar, but we don't need it from here. So we need to delete this one. Main content, yes, we don't need it, but we need this blog post. So let's remove this section here. Let's remove the footer. And wait, so, oops, so, messed it up. Now we have this post toggle here. Do we need post toggle, or we just copy and paste the other one? I'm not sure that we need to post toggle, to be honest. Probably we don't need it. Now we will focus that one later a little bit, because post toggle, it was for the landing page, right? In here, because we copy and we paste it in a blog post, I'm sure that we don't need this one. So I'm going to delete this one as well. Right? I was confused a little bit. So don't worry about it. That doesn't mean that I don't know what I'm doing. So now I'm going to create section here, B section, and I will say content, and I will grab everything that is here. So that will be actually, wait, I'm just going to go put it here. And I think we are done. Let's save it, and let's refresh. We shouldn't have any problems, right? And go to blog. Here we go. We have the blog, we have the navbar, we have the post, how we call it, post content, right? We start the post content. Inside we have the post container, we have the image, and we have the comment section in the bottom. And of course we did have the footer. So if we do, sorry, if you go Control U, you will see that everything is working as it should. Something is wrong with the comments, but that doesn't mean that we do have a problem. So it should be like this, right? Yep. Okay. I'm not sure why they're in red. So I'm just gonna close this one as well. Now we are done here with the blog, but we do have landing, blog, and profile. So if I go to profile, this is what we have, but profile is actually not, we haven't changed the profile. So let's go back to profile. So I'm gonna close this one, close the landing page. I'm just gonna leave this one, and we are going to do a profile. So we start again. What we need to do is actually to get rid of this here. So we are getting rid of everything until the navbar, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna say extends. And here we will say extends again, layouts dot app. After that we need the sidebar. Here we do have this sidebar. So we have the navbar, but we need the sidebar. And so I'm gonna say section, B section, sidebar, and inside we will include the sidebar. Very good. Now make it like this to be more presentable. So after that we have the section, content. Very good. And here we should have profile content, right? Because we're going to create this one, we're going to create forms here. We're not going to have any content, but I want to see if it's going to be there. Now this is all done. but we have a couple of scripts here. Yeah, I do remember those things. And now we do have this sidebar JS, and we are loading this one. Actually, we don't need this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say section, and I'm gonna say scripts, and so this will be inside this section, and at the end I'll just say stop, and that's pretty much. Now let's save this one, refresh. Something is gonna happen. Sidebar not found. Okay, yeah, sidebar not found because it's inside includes folder, right? So that is in this folder. Now save it, refresh, and voila, we do have this part here done and ready. So if you go Control U, everything is there. Plus this one is working. So if we not yield this part, let me just show you. If we just comment this part, just to show you that it's working. Just gonna do this. So if I go hover it, nothing will happen. Very good. Very good. Here we should add the profile content, and for example, I'm gonna show you what we are going to do. So I'm gonna say bootstrap, oops, table. For example, this is what we are going to do. I'm just gonna show you. Just gonna copy this one because I don't want it. You don't have to do it right now. Don't worry, guys. And we will have a table here. Yeah, let's create a div here, or row, doesn't matter. Let's create a row and a margin of 5, and the table will be inside this. I hate when this happens. I can't cut it as I want. So now here, this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna put our results through with for loops. What we have in the database, we're gonna shoot it here. So this is why we need the content to be empty, because here we will have, for example, the user's post or whatever is there. But at the moment, that is just gonna go back a little bit. Here is we should have profile content, and we are done. Now that's pretty much it. Let me just check one more time. We have this one done. Home, we haven't touched home. Post toggle, profile, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Welcome, we haven't changed welcome, but we're not gonna use it much in our, so we're gonna change this entire look here. But that will be for the next project. By the way, if you go to documentation, Laravel, now if you want to go to 6 point, so if you see how to install it, now you will see that the way that I'm explaining you, it's like this with dot and star, and it will install the latest version of 6 of Laravel 6. Now we do have the 7, and in the 7 you don't need to write anything. Where is it? Wait. Here it is. You don't need to write anything. It will install the latest version, or 7. But if you want to follow me, as I told you, we started with 6 and we're gonna continue with 7. Now you need to do it like this, because if I go cmd cd zam, come on, zam cd, where was my htdocs and premium. Now if I go php artisan dash version, that will give me 6 point something, right? Now if I install a new fresh without this parameter at the end, without saying 6, it will give me the latest, and it will be 7 point something, right? That's what I'm trying to do, to show you. But you can continue working with this one, and you can upgrade to the number 7 later on. So we're gonna start the other project actually in number 7, so that means very good. So I don't need to change this course that much. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. We have done with our, with our designing phase. So you should be happy because you achieved a lot. Now the login is done. the register is done. About us and contact us, we don't have it, but we can create that one easily. That's for you. We do have this one. We do have block. So everything that we need to do to continue working on our project is here. So we have the actual markup and design. We are done with that. Now we need to figure out what will be for the backend. So that will be something very interesting in the following part of this course. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day and see you soon.